Listen, if you're looking to start an AI online business, starting to sell AI services right now is one of the easiest ways to get into the AI business. So, the number one AI service that you should consider selling is AI video creation and editing. One of my previous clients that I mentored has recently listened to my advice and started actually using AI in his content creation. And he actually started getting clients, other real estate companies, property companies, asking him, can you make me a advertisement video? Long story short, this client has paid $2,500 for one short form video. So essentially what I'm telling you is that there is a huge amount of money in AI content creation right now. And not only that, the margins are still amazing. To create that one short form AI video, my previous client spent about 24 hours. So what you can create with AI, short form video bundles, TikToks, Reels, content packages, that's what he is doing. He's also signing up clients for real estate promotional advertising videos. Okay, so it's packages which are retainer based. So I will create you a certain number of reels a month for a fixed fee. And the fixed fee is 3, 4, 5K a month. A lot of money to be made. Faceless education videos, AI spokesperson videos. A lot of corporate clients, other companies might be in for this service. He found a niche for creating reels and promotional videos for real estate developers, brands, and stuff like that. Product demo videos, video repurposing from long form content, and weekly or monthly content schedules. He's using several tools from Sora to Kling to 11 Labs, Artlist, and stuff like that. So you gotta be able to use several different tools to create a great video. A lot of people think that creating content with AI is super simple. You just click a couple of mouse clicks and it just prints you a great video that you can straight away sell to clients, to companies, and stuff like that. That's far from the truth. So that is AI drop servicing opportunity, or you can actually learn this yourself and offer it to clients. Service number 2 is AI chatbot setup. You probably heard about this if you watch my videos on a regular basis. What is the main use for this? Of course, customer service. Small businesses need this. How many small businesses are there in the world? We're talking about tens of millions of small businesses, and large businesses such as your Amazons, your Facebooks, and stuff like that. All of them already have customer service based on AI chatbots. They had it for a few years already. As soon as AI came out, they thought about, oh, I need to install this in my service. But small businesses, we're talking about on an average e-com store, your average local business, whatever, if they have a website, if they have customer support, typically the way things work is you send them an email, they reply to you in 2-3 days. That's not going to work, going into the future. People now expect to come on your website, send a message, and get a response straight away 24/7. And that can't be done with AI chatbots. Here's what you can set up. So, website support chatbots, lead qualification chatbots, how much you're willing to spend, what are you looking to buy, and stuff like that. Sales conversion bots, appointment scheduling automation, AI-powered FAQ systems, chatbots trained on business documents, DM automation for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I mean, this is not an exhaustive list. There is way more stuff you can do. But these things can also generate leads, sales, and actually increase revenue. This is not just about customer service, even though customer service is, of course, one of the biggest use cases. It's a very high value service, especially if it is aimed at generating more leads and capturing emails, capturing phone numbers for callbacks and stuff like that. This service, by the way, again, doesn't require coding. Modern tools like GHL, Go High Level, you can literally drag and drop and connect a system to someone's website. There's other things like intercom and stuff like that, that also are installing AI chatbots and stuff like that into their softwares. So the third service, if you're looking to start an AI online business that you should consider right now and going into the next year, is AI automation services. Here's the thing, a lot of people use this as a buzzword. Oh, I'm doing AI automation. You need to seriously think about what is the part of the business for your client that you can automate. Is it email? Is it tools? Is it CRMs, forms, calendars, email marketing, and stuff like that? You need to really think about what is the exact problem that you're solving with automation, with AI for your clients. For example, turning emails into organized reports, creating automated content workflows, syncing data across multiple apps, automating lead capture systems. This is a huge one. Automating captions, product descriptions, automated order tracking, turning DMs into support tickets, connecting websites to email lists, notification and reminder systems, and so on. AI automation is not a buzzword in my books. It's a real business need that if you want to solve, you gotta find a client, you gotta ask, what do you want to automate? And then think about, okay, what kind of tool can I install for my client to automate part of their business? Maybe it's Go High Level, maybe it's Zapier or whatever. So here's the type of clients that you might want to consider for AI automation service. So you got coaches, e-com stores, real estate agents, agencies, local businesses, medical and wellness professionals. By the way, if you're an existing online business owner or looking to start your very first online business, listen up. You should consider joining my School Digital Business Academy. This is not a course. This is a private one-on-one mentorship where we have coaching calls and I advise you how to either start or grow and scale your online business. Now, if you're interested in joining my private one-on-one coaching calls, here's what you get. So $199 a month, you get one monthly 30-minute private call with me. $599, this is 3 monthly calls of 30 minutes, and $899 a month, that's a VIP where you get 3 monthly calls of 1.5 hours. And also, of course, you get WhatsApp support in both of these. This price point is the best for majority of people. If you're serious about your online business, you should go for the middle one. This is a light version. It's for those of you who just want some basic advice. Maybe once a month you want to call up and bounce ideas, brainstorm about what you're doing because you probably already have an online business. And also the VIP plan is for those of you who already have a business and you want to scale it. Maybe you're making 5 or 10 grand or more a month. Then of course the VIP plan is for you because we go into a lot more with your business. There is a link on my YouTube channel on here. You can click it and you can sign up. As soon as you sign up, email me to schedule your first private call. Thanks, and let's go back to the video. Fourth service that you may want to consider to sell if you're looking to start an AI online business is AI content writing. Again, as with the first idea, you might think, oh man, honestly, this is nothing new. You know, people have been doing that a year ago. Yeah, that's true. But I can tell you one thing. A lot of business owners, especially in slightly larger businesses, not content creators like myself, they honestly are still writing blogs. They're still writing their newsletters and stuff by hand. They're still writing LinkedIn posts by hand. And that's really a service that you can offer. So content writing, copywriting, whatever you want to call it, right? It's not as simple as putting a prompt into ChatGPT. Nowadays, actually, a lot of the people, the experts in copywriting and stuff like that, what they do actually is they clone the person. For example, they clone the style of the person that, for example, has a LinkedIn account, a Twitter account, an email, whatever. There's a way to actually program ChatGPT to clone someone's writing so that when you generate the text, it's not even going to be possible to understand whether it's him who wrote it or not. For example, if I write and I sometimes don't put commas, I sometimes make mistakes, I sometimes put words that are not, exactly right for the the sentence, whatever, ChatGPT, after programming it, can actually start making these mistakes and generate text in that kind of thing. So there's other tools as well that can do that. So this is a way how you can actually create extremely accurate clone of someone's persona, and then using that clone, you can create fully perfect copywriting work that is absolutely very, very close to how that person would actually write. This is mind-blowing, and the thing is human sounding. That's the keyword. We don't want template text. And that's the thing. A lot of people will say that, anybody can just go to ChatGPT and just generate whatever the kind of content they need right now. That is true. But if you actually do that, a lot of the time, the content that you get straight out of ChatGPT without any skill, without any cloning, without any refinements and stuff like that, is gonna sound like it's written by ChatGPT. People can now understand. It sounds robotic. It doesn't sound like that person. It doesn't sound like that brand. This needs customization and stuff like that. Businesses love this service because content is the backbone of marketing. And yes, they can write it themselves. That is true. Yes, anybody can go to ChatGPT right now. But ask any decent copywriter what he thinks about just using raw ChatGPT material and putting straight into your blog, straight into your article, straight into your newsletter, whatever. No, it's gonna get penalized. Google is now smart enough. Search engines are now smart enough. If it's AI really crappy written stuff and you just put it in bulk online, it's not gonna rank. It's gotta still be refined by human, or you gotta find a freelancer or whatever to actually offer this to your clients. Even simple content packages can generate recurring monthly fees. We're moving to the idea number 5, AI data and market research. Compile customer lists with phone numbers, with emails and stuff like that. And that data is super valuable to B2B clients. Industry summaries, competitor research reports, market trend analysis, consumer behavior insights, keyword and SEO research, product research for e-com sellers, content topic research, social media trend tracking. There are tools that can give you email lists. There are tools that can give you phone numbers in an Excel, in Google Sheets, whatever. Data that is super valuable that you can sell to your clients. That is a massive opportunity that I see right now and going into the next year, because a lot of these businesses, they're thinking like this: yes, I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT, I'm gonna type in, oh, can you give me a list of the best clients that I should be targeting right now for this market, and I want their phone numbers, I want their emails. That's not gonna happen. ChatGPT actually doesn't do that. You have to have skills to be able to compile these lists. Yes, it may be possible to do it just with ChatGPT, but you need to understand a lot of stuff about prompts. You need to understand how to actually use these tools, and most of the people right now still are far from understanding how to use them, especially the types of B2B clients that we're looking to target. Most of them are in their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. They have local businesses, right? And they don't know how to get all this information. And I personally know how to do that. And I know that there's a huge demand for email lists, sales prospect lists, and stuff like that. So you gather data with AI tools. Then, of course, you clean and organize it, and then you output it as a report, spreadsheet, or presentation. So how to choose the right service? So if you're looking to start an AI business right now or going into the next year, you need to think about, okay, I just gave you 5 services to sell right now. What is your goal? What are you good at? What kind of work do you like? So if you like creative work, AI video creation, by far the most interesting one, but probably one of the hardest ones to master unless you get a supplier who's actually doing it and you're just reselling his work. If you want long-term clients, AI chatbots or automations, this is really good. Again, there is a little bit of a learning curve to understand how to do these automations, and unless you find a supplier who's going to implement it for your clients and you resell his service. If you enjoy writing, AI content writing is definitely for you. And if you prefer structured tasks, data analysis, research and stuff like that, AI research and analysis might just be the thing for you. No matter which service you're going to choose, your goal is to focus on just one service, build a simple portfolio or demo, and begin reaching out to small businesses to get first clients. That is by far the best way. And I'm going to show you a few places where you can start to look for clients. So you've got Facebook groups, you've got LinkedIn, you've got Instagram DMs, you've got cold email, you've got Twitter, X, Upwork, Fiverr, Reddit communities, local business directories, and of course, showcasing your skills either on YouTube or Instagram and stuff like that. By far, for me, the best place to get clients has been email marketing, cold emails, but also LinkedIn DMs and Instagram DMs too. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more AI money making ideas and online businesses, check out my channel and watch this playlist next.